Hi there. This video walks you through integrating your WhatsApp number using the 360Dialog platform. Once you're logged in to communicate, go to Integrations. Go to Messaging, then WhatsApp, and select 360Dialog. Before connecting your live number, you can test things out here in Sandbox environment. The instructions are present on this page. Once you start receiving test messages, you're ready to move on. Click on Integrate a new number and add the number you want to use. Click Integrate. If you already have a 360Dialog account, continue with that. Otherwise, create a new one. For this example video, a new account is being set up. Once it's logged in, enter your company details for the WhatsApp number. Select your company type. For example, private company. Enter your name, your company name, and choose your country. At this point, you'll get a verification email. Once your email is verified, continue creating the account. Here, select all of these as No. Next, start the embedded sign-up process. You'll be taken to Meta for account linking. Choose a desired Meta account that you wish to connect the number. Here I am seeing an extra verification for Facebook account. This may not happen for you. Go ahead and click Continue. Here's the existing business portfolio on Meta account. Pick one of your existing business accounts or create a new one and click Next. You'll see two options. According to Meta's latest updates, businesses can display a business name instead of the actual mobile number. But this isn't available for all new businesses or new integrations. This feature is reserved for already established businesses. You'll need some reputation or presence before you can use a display name only. Since this is a new account, you won't have that option yet, so choose to add a new number. Verify using a text message or call. And click Next. A verification code will be sent to your number. Since I have bought my number from Twilio, I am going there to get the code. Click Next. After the verification code, confirm it. The number is now connecting between Meta and 360Dialog. This takes a couple of seconds. Just wait here. That's done. Now, wait for 360Dialog confirmation. This usually takes 2 to 3 minutes, but can take up to 5 minutes depending on the numbers and time of verification. The number is now connected to communicate. You'll be redirected automatically. You're connected. As you can see, the number is connected. Now, go to WhatsApp and send a message to this number. You should see it appear in the Communicate dashboard in seconds. There it is. Message sent and received. The setup is complete. You're good to go. For templates, create them in 360Dialog. Then come to Communicate, click Message Templates, and click Sync. If you don't have any templates yet, the list will be empty. Get your templates verified by Meta first. Once they're approved, go to the Communicate dashboard and click Sync. Your templates will appear here.